Good afternoon, class 3rd students. Now we will do the book exercise of chapter number 6. Firstly, we will do the warm-up exercise. Write the masculine or feminine nouns for the following. So, some nouns are given here and you will write the masculine or the feminine nouns of the following. First one, wife, dash. It's a feminine form. Now, the masculine form of wife is husband. Write down HUSBAND, husband. Number 2, dash man. Its masculine form. Its feminine form is women. WOMAN, women. Number 3, dash tiger. Its masculine form. Its feminine form is TIGRESS, tigress. Number 4, cow. It's female and the male gender is bull. BULL, bull. Number 5, aunt. Masculine form is UNCLE, uncle. Number 6, dash bridegroom. Bridegroom is a masculine noun. Now the feminine noun is BRIDE, bride. Exercise A. Now find the feminine form of these masculine nouns given in the box in the word grid. Now here in this box masculine nouns are given here and you will find the feminine form of all these masculine nouns in this grid. Let's start with the first one. The feminine noun of lion is lioness. Here. Make a box around it. Second, waiter. The feminine form of waiter is waitress. Here. This is waitress. Make a box around it. Steward. The correct feminine form of steward is stewardess. STEWARDESS, stewardess. Make a box around it. Sorcerer. The correct feminine form of sorcerer is sorceress. SORCERESS, sorceress. Make a box around it. Heir. HEIR, heir. Its correct feminine form is heiress. HEIRESS. Make a box. Hunter. The correct feminine form for hunter is huntress. HUNTRESS, huntress. Make a box. Next is emperor. The correct feminine form for emperor is empress. EMPRESS, empress. Make a box around it. Next is count. The correct feminine form for count is countess. COUNTESS, countess. Make a box around it. Next is actor. The correct feminine form for actor is actress. ACTRESS, actress. Make a box. Now in this way you will do this exercise in your book. Now we will do the book exercise B. Write the feminine nouns from the box next to the correct masculine noun. So in this exercise some masculine nouns are given here and you will find the correct feminine nouns from this help box. The first one is uncle. Its feminine form is aunt. AUNT, aunt. Number 2, master. Its correct feminine form is mistress. MISTRESS, mistress. Number 3, bachelor. Its correct feminine form is SPINSTER, spinster. Number 4, husband. The feminine noun will be wife. WIFE, wife. Number 3, host. Its correct feminine form is hostess. HOSTESS, hostess. Heir. Its correct feminine form is heiress. HEIRESS, heiress. Number 7, hero. The feminine form will be heroine. HEROINE, heroine. Number 8, bridegroom. The feminine noun is bride. BRIDE, bride. 9, father. The feminine noun is mother. MOTHER, mother. Number 10, gander. Correct feminine form is goose. GOOSE, goose. Bull. It's a male animal. Its correct feminine noun is cow, C-O-W, cow. Fox. Correct feminine noun is vixen, V-I-X-E-N, vixen. Duke. Correct feminine noun is duchess, D-U-C-H-E-S-S, duchess. Number 14, policeman. The correct feminine noun will be policewoman, P-O-L-I-C-E-W-O-M-A-N, policewoman. Number 15, God. The correct feminine noun will be goddess, G-O-D-D-E-S-S, goddess. Number 16, sir. The correct feminine noun will be madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam. Now exercise C. Write these nouns in the correct columns. Now here on the next page, these three columns are given here. First is the masculine noun, feminine noun and common noun. And some nouns are given here. From these nouns, you will identify in which column this noun will come. In masculine, in feminine or in common noun. Start with the first one, baby. Baby is a common noun as it refers a child. Now in this is not specifying a male or a female. So we will write baby in common noun like this. Now headmistress. Headmistress, it's a principal mistress of a school. It's a specifying a female, so it will come in feminine noun. Passenger. Passenger, a person traveling in a vehicle. So here we can use passenger for both male and female, so it's a common noun. Peacock. Peacock, it's a male bird, so it will come in masculine noun. Stallion, it's a male horse, so it will come in masculine noun. Owner. Owner is the one who owns something. It's a common noun, so it will come in common. Gander, it's a male goose, so it will come in masculine noun. Empress. Empress, a woman who rules a country. It refers a woman, so it will come in feminine noun. Dancer, it's a common noun. Father. Father, it's again masculine noun. Cow, it's a female animal, it will come in feminine noun. Goose, it's a female bird, it will come in feminine noun. Doe, it's a female reindeer, it will come in feminine noun. Buck, it's a male rabbit, so it will come in masculine noun. Companion. Companion means an associate or a partner. It's a common noun. Infant. Infant, it's a baby. It's a word that we use for both male and female, so it will come in common noun. People, again it will come in common noun. Drake, it's a male duck, so it will come in masculine noun. Gentleman, it refers to a male, so it will come in masculine noun. President, it refers to a person who has political position, so it will come in common noun. Mare, it referred to female horse, it will come in feminine noun. Next, bull. Bull, it's a male species, so it will come in masculine noun. Actress, a female performer, so it will come in feminine noun. Peahen, it's a female bird, it will come in feminine noun. Parent, it's a common noun that we use for both male and female, so it will come in common noun. Bride, it referred to a woman on her wedding, so it will come in feminine noun. Nanny, it's a female caretaker, so it will come in feminine noun. Stag, it's referred to male deer, so it will come in masculine noun. Mother, it's a feminine. Grandfather, again it will come in masculine noun. Brother, it will come in, it referred to a male, so it will come in masculine. Singer, it's a common word that we can use for both male and female, so it will come in common noun. Student, again it is a common noun. Teacher, yes, we can use this word teacher for both male and female, so it will come in common noun. Uncle, it referred to male, so it will come in masculine noun. Friend, yes, it's a word that we can use for both male and female, it will come in common noun. Granddaughter, it's a feminine. Woman, again it's feminine. Master, master is used to denote a male owner, so it will come in masculine. Nephew, it referred to a male, so it will come in masculine. Guest, guest may be a male or may female, so it's a common noun. Daughter, again it's a feminine. Relative, it's a common noun. Prince, prince means son of a king, so it's a masculine. Person, it's a common noun. Niece, feminine. Headmaster, headmaster the principal, master of a school, so it will come in masculine. Child, it's a common noun. Toddler means a young child who is just beginning to walk, so it will come in common noun. Stewardess, it's a woman, it refers to a woman, so it will come in feminine. Waiter, it refers to a male, so it will come in masculine. Bridegroom, it's a man on his wedding, so it will come in masculine. Lady, it's a feminine, so it will come in feminine noun group. So now we will write all these according to the given category. So we will get this list like this. Write in this way. Exercise D. Change the nouns in masculine gender in the following sentences to feminine gender. Full stop. There can be more than one such noun in a sentence. So now in this exercise, what you have to do, you will change the gender. If the masculine gender is given here, you will change this masculine gender to feminine gender. First one. My grandfather went to a store that sells men's clothes. Here the masculine gender is grandfather and man. So we will change to feminine. The feminine gender will be grandmother and men's to women's. So the sentence will become, my grandmother went to a store that sells women's clothes. Full stop. Question number 2. The king said that the prince would be the next ruler. Here king is the masculine gender, so we will change it to feminine. The answer is queen, Queen. Now the sentence will become, the queen said that. The second one is the prince, it's a masculine, we will change it to feminine. So the answer is princess, that the princess would be the next ruler. Number 3. His uncle and his father spoke to the doctor. Doctor is a common noun. Father is the masculine gender. Uncle is a masculine gender. So we will change this to feminine. So uncle, aunt, and father will change to mother. Sentence will become, his aunt and his mother spoke to the doctor.